Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching Business World. I'm Bhupendra Panthola and this is the weekly wrap-up for healthcare news. On first news, we have the World Health Organization has released a new guidelines on non-sugar sweeteners which recommends against their use to control body weight or reduce the risk of non-communicable disease. WHO in a statement said that the recommendation is based on the finding of a systematic review of available evidence which suggests that the use of artificial sweeteners does not confer any long-term benefit in reducing body fat in adults or children. In fact, it may have undesired effects from long-term usage such as increased risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease and mortality in adults. The recommendation does not apply to personal care and hygiene products containing non-sugar sweeteners such as toothpaste, skincare and medication, the WHO statement added. India is considering a change to its pharmaceutical industry policy after cough syrups made in the country were linked to the deaths of children overseas, according to a document from the PM office, which noted that the important things about the industry has been overlooked. A source with the knowledge of the matter said that the policy change could mean increased oversight of India's 41 billion pharma industry. The source further conveyed that the increased testing of cough syrup as well as of materials for drug in general is one of the steps being considered. India's drug regulator CDSCO, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, has proposed testing cough syrups in government laboratories before they are exported, as reported by media outlet News 18. As per the Japan's newspaper, the group of 7 nations are set to agree on establishing a new program to distribute vaccine to developing countries at next week's summit of leaders. In addition to the G7, G20 nations such as India and international groups such as WHO and World Bank will participate in it. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the COVAX facility backed by WHO and Gavi delivered nearly 2 billion doses of coronavirus vaccine to emerging countries. On pharma industry quarter 4 result for financial year 2023, Cipla's net profit raised by 45% year-on-year for Q4 FY23. Consolidated revenue registered 8.3% rise on year at 5,739 crore. Max Healthcare net profit nearly doubled in quarter 4 FY23, record 26% revenue rise on year at rupees 1,637 crore. Zydus Lifesciences net profit dipped by 25.4% on year in Q4 FY23. Revenue jumped over 31% on year to rupees 5,010 crore. Gland Pharma's net profit tanked by 72.2% YOY in Q4 FY23. Revenue record slump of 29.4% on year at rupees 824 crore. Well, that's it from our side. If you find the video informative, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.